An occasion, you see, this is the first time in the history of this state that people gathered from every part of the state to request an individual to come out and contest governorship election. And the individual is no other person than His Excellency Senator Dr. Barau Malia. This gathering consists of 44 local government, various number of organizations, NGOs, civic organizations, and a lot of other individuals and groups are here, as you can see, urging, asking, requesting, pleading that His Excellency Senator Barau Malia should please answer their call, come out when the time comes to contest governorship election in the state. And this is, you see, as a result of his series of interventions in various, areas of human endeavors: health, agriculture, education, women, youth, security, and every other aspect of human development, employment. Name it, His Excellency Senator Barau Malia is there. That's why people are, asking him to come and take over the state when the time comes.
You don't have to be told about Barau. If I can continue to give you reasons for more than 1,000. But let me start giving you. You are seeing the reason as you are looking at me. I am one of the reasons. Why am I the reason? Barau in 2019 initiated the establishment of Northwest Development Region. As a result of that, for 4 years he has been trying. It has not gone through. But by the special grace of God, when the President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, came into being, within a year he has given him offer and accepted, and he has accepted for him. He has given him the opportunity for the establishment of the act. And that was the reason when the Northwest was established. As a result of that, the other 6 regions have the door open as a result of his own. And that is what we're having 6 now.
Wanda mai girma sanata kusa da hilos dama-damai ga 'yan kadiriya, akwai jami'a da ake ginawa. Kuma sun yi magana a taro yayi, akwai honorable Aminu Idi Shuwai. Ina gode wa Allah, amma Allah shi ya san me yake nufi da mu. Allah a cikin ikonsa.
This is a